Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and I have to show you this hose by Blutezeit. So this is their 65-foot hose that comes in a UV protected casing, and it is retractable. So this is going to be so convenient. Because this swivels, I am able to use this hose for the side of my yard as well as my front driveway. I'm just going to take you with me to the farthest corner that this hose can reach. There. Look at how far it is from all the way back there. I just locked it. You can lock it at any length, and you just re-tug and it'll start the retracting mechanism again. So here I'm going to use this for the front of my house, and you can see it reaches the opposite corner of my yard. That's how far this goes. And the hose head has 9 different functions. So here we have the center function, flat. The mist one is really nice for plants. The soaker as well for plants. Jet is great for pressure washing. And the angle one, I'm not sure what I would use that for. The entire hose is removable, and you can take it to another part of your house. You simply plug it into your water source, and that is it. You're ready to go. So if you've been looking for a retractable hose, I recommend this one by Blutezeit. And that's my point of view.